Hi, this is Kat with Beadaholique, and in this video I'm going to show you how to make the Witchy Ways earrings. Now these feature a little left and right witch charm here that is flying on a broom, so I thought these would be perfect for Halloween. And then I'm going to add on a little embellishment of a 4mm gemstone bead here. So I'm going to be using this beautiful, rich purple agate here. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to attach that to an eye pin here and create a simple wire loop and use an earring hook here. Now I've chosen these earring backs here. Choose whatever is comfortable for your ears. All right, so really basic tools that we're going to need. We're just going to need a pair of flush cutters. We're going to need a pair of round nose pliers, and then we're also going to need a pair of chain nose pliers. So if you have everything ready to go, let's go ahead and get started. So the very first thing that we're going to do is we are going to take one of those eye pins and string on one of my 4mm beads and just let that fall all the way down there to the bottom. Now, what I'm going to do is I'm going to actually turn it to the side here so you can see. And instead of doing the simple wire loop like this, where I'd go up and over going the same way, I'm going to actually make a perpendicular loop so that my witch sits the right way that I want her to in my earring. Now you can do this either way, but I like to have it be perpendicular so you see a little bit more of the witch from front on. And this is true of any charm that you might be working with here. So I'm going to hold my piece like that, and all I'm going to do is take my round nose pliers, bend it backwards, and then I'm just going to wrap up and over the top with my little wire there, and you can see from the side here, and I'm just going to bring my my round nose pliers up, bring that wire across, and now I've created my little simple loop. All right, now I can remove that, come in with my flush cutters, and snip that off. All right, so I'm going to make both pairs of earrings here, so I'm going to do that with my second piece here. Slide that on, and again coming right to the base there, just a little bit above so I can have a little bit of backwards, just like so. Wrap that up and over the top, wrap it all the way around, and trim off that excess. Perfect. All right, so I have both of those little pieces ready to go. Next, what I'm going to do is just come in with my chain nose pliers, and let me get the space in the right way, and just sort of bend that one loop back, just open it ever so slightly, and I'm going to slide on my little witch charm, close that back up, and then I'm going to move to the other side here, and again, just open that ever so slightly, and now I can slip on my earring hoop here, making sure that it's going to be facing the right way. So now you can see the reason for that, the perpendicular loop on this one. So then I can just come in with my chain nose pliers and just close that loop up, making sure it's a nice good closure, and add on my earring back. Perfect. All right, so that's one. I'm just going to repeat really fast to do the other one. And this is a nice, quick and easy project. We do have a lot of left and right facing charms, so it's really fun to create stuff for the holidays. But I thought just the little purple gemstone would just be enough for this. I thought about doing a little crystal, maybe like a little black crystal. I thought that might be fun. But we do also have little black cats now that I'm thinking of it. I just want to let you know that you can do that with this. All right, close that back up and add my earring back. Perfect. So now I have my two witchy earrings there, and it'll face left and right there, and you can wear them on whichever side of your ears you like. I hope you enjoyed this video. You can see even more tutorial videos by heading over to Beadaholique.com.